Kia ora, Nathan Mooney here, Property Brokers, Palmerston North. Welcome to 55 Parkland Crescent. This beautiful 3-bedroom home has been refurnished inside with new paint, new carpet, new bathroom. It's got a separate laundry, it's got a fully fenced section, but the kicker with this place is the location. We've got Parkland School, 100 metres down the road. Check this out. See? Fantastic location. Let's go back and have a look.
Though we started out friends, think about you whenever I'm not talking to you. Kinda scary that this gonna make sense. Keeping my cool and all I wanna do is know I owe you. I think I like you. I think I like you. I think I like you. A little too much. I'd be lying if I said I was a crush. A little too much. I'd be lying if I said I was a crush. Keeping my cool and all I wanna do.
As you can see, this cute little place has a lot to offer. Give me a call or come to my next open home. Nathan Mooney, Property Brokers, Palmerston North.